everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your Dreo smart humidifier with the Dreo app that's available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in finding out more about this particular Dreo smart humidifier, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. First things first, download the Dreo app available for iOS and Android devices. So just search your app store for Dreo. Download it, sign in or create an account. You'll be at this screen where we're ready to add our new device by selecting the plus icon in the top right hand corner where it's going to automatically search for nearby devices. And sure enough, it shows up right there. HM713S dash or slash HM813S. So we got a couple different models there. We're going to select that one. And our specific Dreo model number is actually the HHM003S that you're seeing right here. And we're prompted to hold down the Wi-Fi button, which is the timer button, for 5 seconds here. We even have a countdown clock on the display for us, making this very clear. And now the Wi-Fi light is blinking for us. And we're taken to this next screen where we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. Please make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Then go ahead, select connect. Now it's going to work on connecting to the device. Setup was super simple and straightforward. That took less than 30 seconds. We're just going to name it 03 to keep track of the model number, but name it whatever you want. You can pick and choose colors. Then we can select done. We have a firmware update, so let's go ahead. Let's update that now. Select update. There's the improvement. Select update firmware, and now it's going to proceed with the update. This should take a couple of minutes at the most. All right, the firmware has successfully been updated. We can select done, and now we're taken back into the app, and here we go. It's all set up and ready to go for us to start using our humidifier. This is what it looks like, where you can see all of the settings for your humidifier right from your phone within the Dreo app. Simple and straightforward setup. It should take you less than probably 3 or 4 minutes at the most if you have to update your firmware as well. From start to finish, very quick.